I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the JYP Bubble app. First, download the official Bubble application from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and create your account. You can register using your email address or link a social media account for a quick setup. This initial step is crucial to begin connecting with your beloved JYP artists and receiving their exclusive messages. After setting up your account, you will see the main interface. Here, you can browse through various JYP artists and their profiles. To start receiving messages, select your favorite artist and subscribe to their Bubble service. Each subscription typically costs around $3.49 per month. You can then send messages directly to them and receive their exclusive, personal replies, creating a unique connection. To enhance your experience, explore advanced messaging features. You can send not only text but also photos and short video clips to your artists, making your interactions more dynamic. Personalize your notification settings for each artist, ensuring you receive alerts only when you want them. Remember, you can manage all your active subscriptions and update payment information directly through the application settings at any time. For a smooth experience, always ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you encounter any issues, check the in-app help section, which provides solutions to common problems. Remember to engage respectfully with artists and other fans, adhering to the community guidelines. This fosters a positive and enjoyable environment for everyone. If further assistance is needed, contact customer support directly through the application for prompt help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.